Hello everyone, I've come to share my latest journal with you. It was a design team project for Nevermore Creations from Lindsay Zenor. The kit is called Ode to Nature. You can see the name. It measures 5 by 7 inches. It's got a soft cover, one signature, a ribbon closure, and there's 52 pages. The front and the back pages are also pages from the kit. Here I added a piece of lace and a handmade flower. This tuck spot here is from the part of the kit and tag that I made. This is the pages from the kit. Very nice, soft nature colors. Here we've got ephemera. I think this is from Tsunami Rose. There's also quite a few pieces of ephemera from Tsunami Rose here and a journaling card from the kit. Envelope that I made. Tag there and a butterfly. Here we've got a blue doily, butterfly, some eyelash trim there, music paper, top tuck, a belly band. We've added lace here to the side tuck, a silver doily, lined paper. There's a stitching. Also, this part is also from the kit. This as well. Here we've got ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Coffee dyed paper and stenciling throughout the journal. The side tuck again. I added lace flowers. Envelope and ephemera. There's a small envelope. Again, we've got a guest check here with a doily and a butterfly. This is also from Tsunami Rose, but it was perfect for this nature kit. We've got an envelope, nothing inside, you can add something. Crochet trim, journaling card and ephemera. Here we've got a tea bag with a note card. Corner tuck. We've got a fold up, fold down, and a bookmark or a tag, whatever you want. This is a index card. Again, a butterfly, part of the kit. Here we've got writing paper, journaling card from the kit, and a playing card. The middle of the signature with a bow here. Again, a corner tuck that flips up. There we've got a small journaling card, the button, eyelash trim, piece of ribbon. This tuck was also from the kit, and this card as well. Here I made a small booklet, added it with a bulldog clip. I think those are called a bulldog clip. And here we've got an envelope again. You can add something to the envelope. Daffodils on Lindsay's kit. Here we've got a doily that you can open. Inside you will find a journaling card. got a tuck made with flags. Yeah, we've got a corner tuck. There we've got a book paper double tuck. Both of these were also from the kit. The other side of that doily is a fold up, fold down. Envelope, postcard, journaling card, also from the kit. Altered bookmark, altered paperclip. There's a lot of space to write. If you've got a small, you can call it what you want. It can be a stamp, it can be a small journaling card. Yeah, we've got a little booklet again. Here we've got a journaling card and more space to write, and that is the end of the journal. Thank you for watching.